Hello, I am Luo. I watched the TV series The Brothers' Son, 孙家兄弟. The Brothers' Son is an American action comedy streaming series on Netflix. There are two key points throughout the entire series, 斩草除根 and churro. So in today's video, I want to talk about the idiom 斩草除根, not churro. Churro is available in Taiwan. It's called 吉拿棒. 斩草除根 comes from the 左传, the chapter 隐公6年. Click the link below to learn how to use punctuation in Taiwan. 周任有言曰：为国家者，见恶如农夫之物去草焉。山宜运从之，绝其本根，勿使能直，则善者信矣。This classical Chinese translation into English means an official of Zhou dynasty said, those who govern a country should treat evil people and things like farmers treat weeds in their fields. Cut off the roots and prevent them from regenerating. Only when evil is eradicated in this way can goodness flourish. As a result, we know that 斩草除根 means that to solve a problem, it must be eliminated at the root completely to prevent the same problem from recurring. So the point is, don't let it happen again. So just killing the person in charge is probably useless if you really want to 斩草除根. Because an organization can always find someone to fill the position. So what exactly is the way or action that can be called 斩草除根? In ancient China, there was a kind of punishment, 逐诛. A common saying now, because of the drama, is 诛九族, 9 familial exterminations. 诛九族 is a collective form of kinship punishment, typically associated with crimes such as treason. The punishment involved the execution of all of an individual's relatives, which were divided into 9 groups. These including the criminal's parents, grandparents, children and their spouses, grandchildren and their spouses, siblings and in-laws, uncles and aunts and their spouses, cousins, criminal's own spouse and the spouse's parents. In different eras, children under a certain age, usually 7, were banished to a cold place or become slaves. The emperor will also send people to watch your close friends and colleagues in case they do something to hurt the royalty because they want to help you get revenge. This is so-called the action of 斩草除根. Basically, anyone you spend more than a cent time with has to die. There is one thing I would like to say again. You can definitely buy a churro in Taiwan. If someone tells you you can't, please hit him with 油条. 油条 is soft and will not hurt anyone. But 油条 is oily and will make the face, hair, and clothes that come in contact with it greasy. Now let's review today's vocabulary. 斩草除根. To solve a problem, it must be eliminated at the root completely to prevent the same problem from recurring. 诛九族 9 familial exterminations 缉拿棒 churro. Okay, it's today's video. I hope you like it and share your idea with me. Thank you for watching and see you next time.